Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which will return your age inside multiple formats. It will return your age inside months, weeks, total number of days, how much you lived on this earth, how much hours, how much minutes. So there is a Python package in which you can build out this advanced age calculator. You just need the date of birth, and this is actually the package name here, age calculator. So it actually calculates your birth information based upon a specified date of birth. The command is very simple. You simply install this package right here. I've already installed it. So after installing, this is actually, we are providing the date of birth right here to this package right here. You will see. After that, let me run this Python script and show to you. So as I run the script here, you will see it will return the data in various formats. We just provided the date of birth and then it calculates the age. You can see age in number of days, number of hours, months, weeks, age in week states. You will see year, months, date of birth, which is, you can see it will return the day since last birthday, days until next birthday. You will see. So this advanced data, it will return by just the date of birth. So it's a very useful package. If you are building some kind of a age calculator web application, you can use this free package. So let me show you how to get started. It's very simple. You first of all require this package. Let me show you the full script. So you simply require the package at the very top, which is age calculator. After importing it, you just need to provide your date of birth to this package, so age calculator, and it contains this function age calculator, and specifically provide the age date of birth right here. This is a format. 11th is the day, 1 is the month, 1997 is the year. So you provide this date of birth, and after that it will calculate everything. Let's suppose we want to calculate the age from this, so age in years, so this will say DOB age. Similarly, if you want to print out the age in weeks, months, days, hours, so it will have all these parameters, attributes. Then we can also get the age in number of weeks, months. You can see. So if I just execute this, you will see that it will return everything, the age. So if you're building some kind of a age calculator, this package will be very much. And once again, it has more functions related to age. So you can do that as well. So you can see, you can have a specific date and then calculate the age from that specific date as well. So in this way, you can use this package to calculate the age calculator and build out a advanced age calculator in the terminal. So the command simple, simply execute the command to install this, and then you can safely use this module inside the Python script. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.